CoinEx Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to CoinEx are in the description below. Let's go over what this platform offers and who it's best suited for. CoinEx is a global cryptocurrency exchange known for its wide range of supported assets, competitive trading fees, and user-friendly interface. Launched in 2017, it has gained popularity for offering a seamless trading experience while maintaining security and reliability. It supports spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, and even crypto staking, making it a versatile platform for both beginners and experienced traders. One of CoinEx's biggest strengths is its large selection of cryptocurrencies. It offers over 600 trading pairs, covering popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, as well as smaller altcoins that many other exchanges don't list. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to trade a diverse range of assets. Another standout feature is its low and transparent trading fees. The base trading fee is 0.2%, but users can reduce it by holding CoinEx's native token, CET. CET holders also receive additional trading discounts, cashback rewards, and fee deductions, making the platform even more cost-effective for active traders. For users looking to earn passive income, CoinEx provides staking and financial services where users can lock their assets to earn rewards. Additionally, CoinEx offers perpetual futures contracts with leverage up to 100x, catering to high-risk traders who want to maximize their potential profits. Security-wise, CoinEx has a strong track record with no major hacks, utilizing multi-signature cold wallets and strong encryption to keep user funds safe. The exchange also features a 24/7 customer support team, which is crucial for resolving issues quickly. CoinEx is a great choice for those who want a diverse selection of crypto assets, competitive fees, and advanced trading tools. However, it's not as widely regulated as platforms like Binance or Coinbase, so users should consider their risk tolerance before trading. If you're interested in exploring CoinEx, check the links in the description for more details.